For today's activity, you're going to need a sheet of paper, and you can use either crayons, markers, colored pencils, or chalk, whatever you have that's different colored. So we're going to begin with our letter for today, and the letter we're going to be working on is the letter J. Say J. Excellent. So let me show you how we're going to write the letter J. So I have a top line, a broken line, and a bottom line. For the capital J, I'm going to start at the top line. So I'm going to go from the top, down, and hook. So I come down to the bottom line, I stop, and I make a hook. Now I'm going to go back to the top, and I'm going to go across the top. Just like that, and we have our capital J. Next, I'm going to show you how to make the lowercase j. For the lowercase j, we're going to start at the broken line. So come to the broken line, and go down and under the bottom line and hook. So we didn't stop at this line like the capital J does. We came under that bottom line. And the last thing we need to do is make a little tickle at the top of our J. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Perfect. And we have our lowercase j. So again, this big one, we're going to call it our capital, but we need to use our capital voice. So as loudly as you can, you're going to say capital. And then now for our lowercase j, we're going to use a smaller voice, and we're going to say lowercase. So again, this one is our capital, and here is our lowercase. Perfect. So now I'm going to teach you a little song that's going to help us learn the sound of the J. And the J says J, J. So let's stand up, and I'll teach you our dance and our song. So again, the letter J says J as in jump. So we're going to pretend that we have a J, jump rope. So get your jump ropes out, and I'll show you how the song and dance goes. And then you're going to do it a second time with me. 1, 2, 3. This is the way the little girl jumps, the little girl jumps, the little girl jumps. This is the way the little girl jumps. J, 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 j. Got it? Easy. So let's try it together. Get your jump rope. Make sure you have some space to jump. 1, 2, 3. This is the way the little girl jumps, the little girl jumps, the little girl jumps. This is the way the little girl jumps. J, 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 j. Perfect. So the first thing we're going to do on our piece of paper is we're going to practice writing both the capital J and the lowercase j. So I have my paper here, and we're going to be using our crayons to do rainbow writing. And you guys know what rainbow writing is. That's when we write the same thing over and over again using different colors to make it look like a rainbow. So I'm going to start with black, because usually I can see black the best when I write it the first time. So again, remember how we do our capital J. We're going to go top, down, and hook, and then across the top. Now for the lowercase j, we're going to go to that broken line, pretend there's a broken line, down and under, hook, tickle, tickle, tickle. Perfect. And then we're going to do it again with another color. I'm going to use purple this time. You guys can use whichever color you want to do next. Make sure you say the steps to make the J. Say top, down, and hook, across the top. Broken line, under, and hook, tickle, tickle. Next, I'm going to use red. Top, down, and hook, across the top. Broken line, under, hook, tickle, tickle, tickle. Now I'm going to use orange. Top, down, and hook, across the top. Broken line, under, hook, tickle. And now I'm going to use yellow. Top, down, and hook, across the top. Broken line, under, hook, tickle. Go ahead and finish writing your letter J using the rest of the colors you have available. And the last thing I want to show you guys are some more pictures of things that begin with the J sound. And remember, J says J. So this first picture I have is jam. Jam is what you put on toast. Call it jam or jelly, but this is jam. Jam begins with the letter J. Next, I have a picture of a Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box begins with the letter J. And the last picture I have is a jacket. Jacket. Jacket begins with the letter J. So let's practice those beginning sounds. We have jam. 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 Next we have Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box. And over here we have jacket. 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 Excellent. You guys now know the letter J, and the sound is J.